Hi everyone, let's play through Dock of the Day. We're playing in the key of G. Got a whole mess of chords. Do a quick review. Make sure you've got your G, B7, sort of an alternative fingering there, your inverted C, A7, and make sure you remember how we're getting from C to A7. If you're not sure how to do that, go back and watch the previous video. E7, D, standard C, F, and D7. Phew! Promise these chords all fit together in one song. Let's play through. You've got your song chart, as do I. Love this one. Here we go. 1 and 2 and starting on G. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. A7. Back to G. E7. Here's verse 1. Sitting in the morning sun, I'll be sitting when the evening comes, watching the ships roll in, and then I watch them roll away again. Chorus. I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, I'm just sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. Verse 2, left my home in Georgia, headed for the Frisco Bay, 'cause I've got nothing to live for, and looks like nothing's gonna come my way. To the chorus. I'm sitting on the dock of a bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, I'm just sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. Here's the bridge. Looks like nothing's gonna change. Everything still remains the same. I can't do what 10 people tell me to do, so I guess I'll remain the same. Back to the verse. Sitting here, resting my bones. All this loneliness won't leave me alone. Now it's 2,000 miles I roam, just to make this dock my home. Chorus again. I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, I'm just sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. Here's the outro. Extra points if you can whistle and play at the same time. All right, enjoy that one. Go back and review as much as you need to, and have fun with your practice on this one.